The reduction of 15% in price of salt enables a person to buy 21 kg more for 272. The reduced price of salt is how much? So now, whenever they are asking reduced price of salt, it's always being per kg. Let us, we need to understand that. So reduction, so earlier price was something, now the price got reduced by 15%. And because of that, a person is able to buy for the same expenditure 2 kgs more. So the same thing. So 15% reduction means 3 by 20, which means my price 1 was 20 and new price, it got reduced by 3. So 20 minus 3, 17. Let us say my quantity 1 was X and my quantity 2 would be X plus 2 because he's able to buy 2 kgs more. But expense is same, which means 20X is equals to 17X plus 2. Correct? Which means if I take here, so it will become 3X and 34. So X is 34 by 3. Correct? Which means earlier he was able to buy 34 by 3. And now he's able to buy. So the reduced price of the salt is how much? So I've been asked the reduced price. So here he must be able to buy how much? 34 by 3 plus 2, that is 640 by 3. So he's able to buy 40 by 3 kgs here. So for 40 by 3 kgs, he's buying at how much? 272. So he's buying 40 by 3 kgs at 272. And I've been asked the reduced price, which means 1 kg का price पूछा है मेरे को. तो 1 kg का price कितना होगा? So 3 by 40 into 272. 20.4. So 20.4 per kg is the answer. So you understood how to tackle this kind of problems, because यहाँ पर एक clue अपने को मिला है कि expense दोनों जगह सेम हो रहा है. तो उसकी वजह से आई एम एबल टू फाइंड दी ओल्ड क्वांटिटी, न्यू क्वांटिटी, और न्यू क्वांटिटी का प्राइस पता है टोटल का, मेरे को 1 kg का पूछा है तो मैं बता सकता हूँ. ठीक है. Again the same. A reduction in 20% in the price of banana enables a customer to buy 6 more bananas for ₹80. What is the reduced price per dozen? Which means a reduction in 20% of the price of the banana. So price got reduced by 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. This is my old price. This is my reduction. So my old price is 5. My new price would be, it got reduced by 1, so 4. And suppose he was buying earlier X quantity. Now he is able to buy X plus 6. Correct? But his expense remains the same, which means 5X equals to 4X plus 6. So X will become 24. Correct or no? So earlier he was able to buy 24. Now he is able to buy 30. Now I've been asked the reduced price. So 30 he is able to buy for how much? 80. Right? I've been asked what is the reduced price per dozen, which means I've been asked the price of 12. 12 का कितना होगा? तो 12 upon 30 into 80. So 32 he is able to buy, and 32 is the price per dozen, the reduced price. Okay, absolutely clear. Again and again I'm reinforcing the fact that the main thing that we're able to crack this is because we're able to solve this sum by converting percentages to fractions. So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.